you doing? So today we're going to make this beautiful dal. So we've got some lentils with eggs. I love this one. Nice and spicy, nice with a bit of rice, or in my case, I actually like it with some roti, paratha, or some chapati, you know. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. So let's take a look at what we have here. I've got some hard-boiled eggs. I've got 7. You might not want that many, but up to you. Get them ready. Here I've got 4 cups of cooked red dal. I know it's yellow, but red dal turns that color once you cook it and drained off. 1 tomato, 1 onion, 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, fresh chili, the amount is up to you, 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, fresh cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, fresh curry leaves, if you can get them, wonderful stuff. If not, try and get dry. And in here, 1 teaspoon each of the following: garam masala powder, coriander, cumin, turmeric, and chili. We're going to start this off with some oil. We're going to add some salt. It's really easy and tastes wonderful. So you're going to need a pot or a pan or something. I'm going to do it in this pan so you can see it really clearly. I've got some oil in there. I'm using a sunflower oil. Now I've got quite a lot of oil in there. I think quite a lot of oil in this makes a big difference, but sure, go ahead and use way less if you want. I'm accused quite often of using quite a lot of oil. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, and then our curry leaves, which can be noisy. Let's check them out, see how they do. Okay, they're not so bad. Just a few seconds. They're really going to infuse that and make the oil taste really fantastic. We're now going to go in with our onion. We're on quite a high heat. We're going to go for 3 minutes. Beautiful, just 3 minutes there. We're now going to drop in that garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. Buy it in a store in a jar, or make it yourself like we do. 1 tomato. Try and use a nice ripe tomato. Salt. Fresh chili to taste. We're now going to go in with the teaspoon each of turmeric, chili, cumin, coriander, and garam masala powder. In that goes. And again, stay on this high heat. Keep it moving all the time now, about another 3 or 4 minutes. Looking marvellous. Next up, we're going to get our cooked dal. We're going to drop that in. And again, another 3 minutes or so, staying on this high heat. Let's just fry this dal in there with those lovely flavours. Keep it moving all the time now. We're nearly done this one. It really is delicious. One of my favourites, actually. Okay, next up, I'm going to add some water. Now, if you want, you could be adding coconut milk. That would give it a more kind of smoother flavour. But water or coconut milk is up to you. Cilantro or coriander, whatever you call that, and it goes. Now we're going to lower the heat to a medium, and we're going to go for about 6 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. Okay, that's cooked out nicely. Next up, we're going to drop in our eggs, as many as you want, really. Hard boiled, in they go. Right, we're going to go another 5 minutes or so, 5-6 minutes, and this is done. Check it for salt. You might want to add a bit more salt. It's fine for me. I like oil, but I don't like salt too much, so you adjust it as you want. All right, and there you go. So, yeah, nice with some rice, or with some roti, paratha, or some sort of bread like that. Easy, delicious. Well, I think it is anyway. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.